Welcome to the Space and Solar System quiz. We have 30 questions for you today. Let's see how many you can get right. Get ready. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The answer is Mars. Mars gets its red color from iron oxide, or rust, covering its surface. It has been a top target for space exploration for decades. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its Great Red Spot is a storm larger than our entire planet. Which planet is famous for its beautiful ring system? The answer is Saturn. Saturn's rings are made mostly of ice and rock particles. They stretch over 280,000 kilometers, but are only about 10 meters thick. What is the name of Earth's only natural satellite? The answer is the Moon. The Moon is about 384,000 kilometers from Earth. It is the fifth largest moon in the solar system and the only other world humans have walked on. Which planet is closest to the Sun? The answer is Mercury. Mercury orbits the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Despite being closest to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet because it has no atmosphere to trap heat. What galaxy do we live in? The answer is Milky Way. The Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. Our solar system is located about 26,000 light-years from its center. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? The answer is Venus. Venus has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide that traps heat, pushing surface temperatures to around 465 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury. How many planets are in our solar system? The answer is 8. Since Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, our solar system officially has 8 planets, from Mercury to Neptune. What is the name of the first human to walk on the Moon? The answer is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong took his famous first step on July 20th, 1969, during the Apollo 11 mission, calling it one small step for man. What is the Sun primarily made of? The answer is hydrogen. The Sun is about 73% hydrogen and 25% helium. Nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium, producing the energy that lights our solar system. Which dwarf planet was reclassified from a planet in 2006? The answer is Pluto. Pluto was considered the 9th planet for 76 years before the International Astronomical Union reclassified it as a dwarf planet. What is the name of the largest moon of Jupiter? The answer is Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the entire solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. It has its own magnetic field. What force keeps the planets orbiting the Sun? The answer is gravity. Gravity is the invisible force that holds the entire solar system together. The Sun contains 99.8% of all mass in our solar system. Which space telescope launched in 2021 is the most powerful ever built? The answer is James Webb. The James Webb Space Telescope orbits the Sun about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. Its gold-coated mirrors can see galaxies formed just after the Big Bang. What is a shooting star actually made of? The answer is a meteoroid. Shooting stars are small pieces of space rock called meteoroids that burn up as they enter Earth's atmosphere, creating a bright streak of light. Which planet rotates on its side, unlike any other planet? The answer is Uranus. Uranus is tilted at about 98 degrees, essentially rolling around the Sun on its side. Scientists believe a massive collision billions of years ago caused this tilt. What is the Great Red Spot on Jupiter? The answer is a giant storm. The Great Red Spot is a storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. It is so large that Earth could fit inside it more than once. How long does it take light from the Sun to reach Earth? The answer is 8 minutes. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second. Even at that incredible speed, it takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us from the Sun. Which moon of Saturn has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane? The answer is Titan. Titan is the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere. Its surface has rivers and lakes, but they are filled with liquid methane instead of water. What is the International Space Station commonly abbreviated as? The answer is ISS. The ISS has been continuously occupied since November 2000. It orbits Earth about 16 times per day at a speed of roughly 28,000 kilometers per hour. Which planet has the shortest day in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Despite being the largest planet, Jupiter completes one full rotation in just under 10 hours, giving it the shortest day of any planet. What is the asteroid belt located between? The answer is Mars and Jupiter. The asteroid belt contains millions of rocky objects. Despite what movies show, the asteroids are spread so far apart that spacecraft pass through easily. Which space agency launched the Apollo missions to the Moon? The answer is NASA. NASA's Apollo program ran from 1961 to 1972. 6 missions successfully landed humans on the Moon, with Apollo 11 being the first. What phenomenon occurs when the Moon passes between the Sun and Earth? The answer is solar eclipse. During a total solar eclipse, the Moon perfectly blocks the Sun, revealing the Sun's outer atmosphere called the corona. This happens because the Moon and Sun appear almost the same size from Earth. Which planet has the longest year, taking 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun? The answer is Neptune. Neptune is so far from the Sun that it has only completed one full orbit since it was discovered in 1846. It will finish its first known orbit in 2011. What are the colorful light displays near Earth's poles called? The answer is auroras. Auroras occur when charged particles from the Sun interact with gases in Earth's atmosphere. The northern version is called aurora borealis, and the southern is aurora australis. Which rover landed on Mars in February 2021? The answer is Perseverance. Perseverance landed in Jezero crater and carries a small helicopter called Ingenuity, which became the first aircraft to fly on another planet. What is a light year a measurement of? The answer is distance. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. It is used because space distances are too vast for regular units. Which of Saturn's moons shoots geysers of water ice into space? The answer is Enceladus. Enceladus has an underground ocean beneath its icy crust. Geysers at its south pole shoot water ice hundreds of kilometers into space, making it a top candidate in the search for life. What is at the center of our Milky Way galaxy? The answer is a black hole. Sagittarius A star is a supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. It has a mass of about 4 million times that of our Sun. Thanks for watching the Space and Solar System quiz. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe for more quizzes. See you in the next one.